Dear scholars, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. This video is beneficial for the students of BG 5th semester CBCS, University of Kashmir. This video is about the date sheet of BG 5th semester batch 2021 issued by University of Kashmir. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press bell icon to get the notifications of latest uploads. Thank you. So let's get started. Date sheet issued by University of Kashmir for regular and fresh private candidates of BG 5th semester batch 2021 choice based credit system session October-November 2023 for Jammu and Kashmir. As per this date sheet, time 2:30 p.m. day and date. So first paper 16 October 2023 to 21st October 2023. Skill papers to be conducted by concerned colleges. Wednesday 25th October 2023 English third, चूंकि बैच 2016 to 18 उनका अलग सिलेबस था 5th सेमेस्टर का, तो उनको अलग पेपर होगा. 2019 बैच को अपने सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग पेपर आएगा, और बैच 2020 to 2021 को जो लेटेस्ट सिलेबस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग पेपर आएगा. तो फ्राइडे 27 October 2023 को जियोग्राफी with different titles, biotechnology, food science, sociology, economics with different titles, geography with different titles, and sociology with different titles, that is marriage, family and kinship, social moments का एग्जाम कंडक्ट होगा. मंडे दैट इज ऑन 30 October 2023 केमिस्ट्री, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स फ्रॉम आर्ट्स, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, एजुकेशन, इस्लामिक स्टडीज, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का एग्जाम कंडक्ट होगा. नाउ वेनसडे को जोलॉजी का पेपर कंडक्ट होगा विद डिफरेंट टाइटल्स, स्टैटिस्टिक्स का, फिलॉसफी का और अदर सब्जेक्ट्स का. फ्राइडे दैट इज ऑन 3rd November 2023 मैथमेटिक्स का, साइकोलॉजी का, history with different titles. Then Monday 6 November 2023 examination of geology, biochemistry, clinical biochemistry, Urdu literature will be conducted. Then on 8th of November 2023 examination of physics, botany, Kashmiri literature with different titles will be conducted. Then on Friday 10 November 2023 examination of public administration with different titles, social work with different titles and others will be conducted. On 15th November 2023 the examination of generic elective courses will be conducted. For example, education, mental health and hygiene, the course code EDG 520. Note: all examinations for the backlog students from batch 2016 onwards shall be conducted according to the latest operational syllabus, provided the title of the course is same. A separate question paper shall be served in case of change of the title of any course or paper. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then like, share and provide feedback by commenting. If you find the content of this channel useful and informative, then do subscribe. Thank you for watching.